Our Steve King joins us live in the studio. And Steve, you spoke with state lawmakers on both sides of this issue. What did they have to say about this?
Jay, this new law means that permanent alimony has come to an end in Florida. One thing supporters and opponents disagree with regarding this new law is whether it applies to existing alimony agreements. Governor Ron DeSantis signed this bill last night, and the new law took effect today. Supporters say that this bill limits how long an ex-spouse would be required to make alimony payments, but supporters also say this would not apply to current agreements. However, opponents say courts could decide this new law could apply to existing alimony agreements, which puts some ex-spouses in a situation where they're unable to support themselves because they were depending on those payments. Democratic State Representative Anna Eskamani of Orlando opposed the bill.
It's always been important to allow judges to decide what is in the best interest of that family and, of course, of children if there are children involved in the divorce. And this bill, now law, alongside others that have passed recently, pull that process away from the courts and into a more political realm.
Republican State Representative John Snyder of Martin County, who approved the bill, says in part, quote, "As society changes, we have more households where both spouses work. By eliminating permanent alimony, the bill strikes a good balance between supporting the spouse who might not earn as much income during the marriage, while also encouraging self-supporting." Governor DeSantis vetoed a similar bill last year. We reached out to his office for a comment about this new law, but so far we've not heard back.